I'm Eileen, and I am a volunteer with Creations for Cures. And we're here with you in the month of August to do a art project. This art project this month is making dragonflies.
Wow. I love the way it just hovers there, like a helicopter.
So we have a project. I actually I colored in a picture of some dragonflies, and then I actually made some dragonflies. So these are the dragonflies that I made with my clothespins. I made 3 of them. They're so cute and fun. We only need a few supplies, so let's go through that supply list. You need some clothespins, so I have 3 clothespins right here. You need some pipe cleaners. That's what we're going to use to make our wings. You need some googly eyes. So I have a whole bin of my googly eyes. I have some markers, and I have my glue. So this is perfect. Okay, so I think the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to decorate my dragonfly. So I'm going to take my markers and color my dragonfly in. I don't know what color I'm going to make this one. Let's do red on this one. So I'm just going to kind of color it in and decorate it any way I want. I'm going to use my markers, but of course you can use whatever you want to decorate yours. You can pick any color you want to decorate yours. I think I'm going to make this one a few different colors. And we'll have all these fun colors on here. You can color yours. And what color are you going to make yours? Do you have any ideas?
Let's color the eggs red. Yeah, Boots. We can color the eggs red.
I actually saw a dragonfly the other day. It landed on my dog's nose and actually scared him a little.
No. Shh. It's right here.
But it was super cute. Just kind of landed on his nose for just a little second and then just kind of flew away. So yeah, my dog was a little startled by it, but we thought it was actually very funny. So, have you ever seen a dragonfly? Have you seen one in your backyard? I see them sometimes around my garden, so I always think it's kind of cool when I do see them. And their big wings. So yeah, okay. So let me color this. I'm just gonna finish kind of coloring in the different parts of the clothespin. I'm gonna color in the sides. So that's kind of the top. And then I am gonna color in the sides too, I think. Because I want mine to almost be like, this is kind of like a rainbow. Oops. This one's a little bit like a rainbow. Maybe this is my rainbow dragonfly. I'll make it all the colors that I have. I'm excited to see what colors you use on yours. Okay. Oops, I have to color the bottom. I almost forgot. So let's get that colored in. Dragonflies are really cool. They actually lay their eggs underwater, and it can take, they can change 17 times before they actually become a dragonfly that flies in the air.
Ooh, and who can change shape and organize craft time? This guy.
So, okay. I think I have all of mine colored. So here's my clothespin. Got them all colored in. Now I'm going to take 2 pipe cleaners. Let's see. I'm going to take 2 pipe cleaners and pick some cool colors. I'll do red and blue. So I'm going to take my pipe cleaner. I'm just going to kind of twist this one together. Just like this, so I have a little circle. Do the same thing for my other one. Just kind of twist them together. So now I have 2 circles. I'm going to take my circles and I'm going to make them an 8. Just like that. I'm just going to twist it. And I'm going to put it right inside. I'm going to pinch it right inside for the wings. So I'm going to do the same thing with the other one. Oops. Okay, I guess I have to twist it together a little bit better than that, huh? Okay. So are you having a good summer so far? Can't believe it's August already. But I hope you're having a good summer. I'm getting ready to go on vacation in a little bit.
Do you like vacations? We love vacations!
So I'm excited for that. Oh, look, see, there's my wings for my dragonfly. And I just have them secured, and you can make them any way. Once you get them in there, kind of mess with them a little bit. So that's cool. I like it. Now I'm going to just take my googly eyes, and I'm going to glue my googly eyes on. Okay. Take my glue right at the top. Here's the head of my dragonfly. Just a little bit of glue. And I'm going to pick some cute little googly eyes to put on there. My favorite thing. I love googly eyes. Here's my other googly eye. And that's it. Look at that. There's my latest dragonfly.
The dragonfly is one of my favorite bugs.
He's so cool. I hope you made some really cool dragonflies. Like I said, you can make them any color. You can paint them. You can use your markers. You can use your crayons. You can use anything on them. Like I said, here's a couple of other ones that I did. This is my pink one. And then this one, kind of my Halloween one. It's my Halloween colors. And then this one, I kind of twisted the two pipe cleaners together. Those are so fun. So hope you had fun making clothespin dragonflies with me. Give your dragonflies some cool names. I haven't named mine yet, so I'll have to come up with some fun names. But give your dragonflies some fun names and enjoy the rest of your summer. And we will see you in September. We'll have another fun craft to do with you. You can see all of our crafts on our YouTube channel. We save all of our crafts there. So if you want to go back and look at some of the fun crafts, you can. But like I said, have fun with your dragonflies. Bye.